Hi, this is copywriter and consultant Casey Demchak with this week's book marketing copy quick tip video. And this week I want to talk to you about mental triggers and how to build mental triggers into your marketing copy for your book or your online program. And actually this is going to be the first of a three-part series on how to use mental triggers. There are a long list of mental triggers you can use in your marketing copy. So I'm going to use these next few videos to touch on about 8 or 9 of my favorites. And first of all, a mental trigger is a copywriting element that you can blend into your copy that will help you elicit a positive emotional response from your readers. Mental triggers help you engage with your readers, and it helps you get a good positive response from them without feeling like you're manipulating your readers in any way. So the first mental trigger that I want to talk to you about, I'm going to give you 3 this week, is what I call an event-based mental trigger. And what I mean by that is think of Hollywood movies. They never just announce the release date of a movie and then put it out. There's always a build-up to it. There's always, when they're going to release a movie, they in all their advertising and the movie trailers you see, they create suspense and anticipation and excitement. So do that with your marketing copy as you're building up to the release or the launch of your book or online program. Create suspense, create excitement, create anticipation. Make people feel like they're going to be part of a big event. People love to feel like they're part of an exclusive event. So build that element into your marketing copy. The second mental trigger I want to talk to you about is storytelling. People love good stories, and as an author who's written a book, you should be able to weave a nice story or thread a nice story throughout your marketing copy. Stories are kind of like milk and honey for the soul. Everybody loves good stories. So consider using some storytelling when you're creating your marketing copy. And again, I want to remind you that as I give you these mental triggers, don't feel as if you have to figure out a way to use all of them in your marketing copy. The key is to just be aware of them. Pick and choose the ones that work best for your marketing campaign and build them into your marketing copy. So the third mental trigger I want to talk to you about this week is emotion. You hear me talk a lot in my videos about writing benefit-driven copy. Anytime you can blend that with emotion to convey the benefits of your book to your readers, all the better. So as you're writing your marketing copy, keep in mind your readers' hopes, their dreams, their aspirations, what gets them excited, what makes them feel special. Touch on those emotional elements as you write your marketing copy. If you're conveying the benefits of your book, describe how those benefits are going to impact your readers' lives, and then paint a picture of how their life is going to look when they're enjoying the benefits of what you're communicating in your book. Even if it's just a book where you're entertaining them, communicate how you're going to make people feel. So really stir some emotion into your marketing copy. That's just another mental trigger you can use in your marketing copy. So again, I've touched on 3 mental triggers this week: making your copy event-based, blending storytelling into your copy, and using emotion in your copy. And I'll be back next week with 3 more mental triggers you can use in your copy. And again, one last time, you don't have to use all of these mental triggers every time you write copy. Just be aware of what they are and pick and choose the ones that you can weave into your copy with great effect. So no matter where you're watching this video, why don't you scroll on down, leave me a comment. I'd love to hear from you. If you're on YouTube, why not subscribe to my channel, and then hop on over to caseydemchak.com where you can download my free ebook, 7 must-know copywriting secrets that sell more books. And until next week, when I'll be back with 3 more mental triggers, this is Casey Demchak. Take a lot of action and make things happen.